And so, the first flag was created, with 13 stripes and 13 stars on a field of blue. This flag became a symbol of courage and strength, reminding them of their unity. With each challenge, the villagers leaned on each other, drawing strength from their shared bond.
This flag shows we are united, even through the toughest storms.
Yes. And now, whenever we see it, we will remember we are not alone.
Stars up high, stripes speed low. Promises shine and dreams will grow. And one by one, our dreams take flight. Under the stars, we're shining bright. When new friends come, our stars will show. And one by one, their lights will glow. In every star, a wish will stay, shining bright, day by day. Stars up high, stripes below. Promises shine and dreams will grow. One by one, our dreams take flight. Under the stars, we're shining bright. Hand in hand, side by side, we walk with pride, hearts open wide. 50 stars, they shine above. A land of dreams, a place of love. Stars up high, stripes below. Promises shine and dreams will grow. One by one, our dreams take flight. Under the stars, we're shining bright.
As the years passed, new friends joined, and the flag's stars grew to 50, shining for each person's dream. And whenever the people see this flag, they remember. They are one, united in heart and spirit.
Every star tells a story. Every stripe is a promise. Together, we're strong. And together, we'll keep this dream alive.